Today's topic is ART, which stands for Assisted Reproductive Techniques or Technology. Now, what is ART? ART is a group of high technical treatment methods to improve infertility. Many options of ART are available, which we will study. But first, let us know what is infertility. Infertility refers to the biological inability of an individual to contribute to conception, or a female who cannot carry out the pregnancy to full term. So these are some common ART methods, which include IVF followed by ET, then IUI, intrauterine insemination, gamete intrafallopian transfer, that is GIFT, followed by ZIFT, GIFT, and ICSI. We'll study all these in detail. First is IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization is a method in which egg cells are fertilized by sperm cells outside the mother's womb. That's why it is called in vitro. The resulting embryos are then transferred back into the uterus. Because it is a highly technical process, it involves many steps. These steps are follicle suppression, ovarian hyperstimulation so that many eggs are produced. Then these eggs are taken out, followed by fertilization, incubation, and selection of the embryos and embryo transfer. So here you can see with the help of diagram here, a woman's eggs are removed from the ovary and they are mixed with the sperms in the laboratory. And once the fertilization takes place and embryos are formed, these embryos are placed into the uterus. So these embryos can be transferred to the uterus then and there immediately, or they can be stored for later use. So this process allows a higher chances of pregnancy. Now some other techniques are available, like GIFT, GIFT, gamete intrafallopian tube transfer. So in this technique, a mixture of women's eggs and sperms are placed into the fallopian tube using a laparoscopy method. And once inserted, the fertilization is allowed to occur on its own in the fallopian tube only. You can see with the help of the diagram. Next is ZIFT, that is zygote intrafallopian transfer. So this procedure, this technique is a mixture of IVF and GIFT, because eggs are taken out, they are fertilized in the laboratory, but during the GIFT process, the fertilized eggs are transferred within 24 hours after fertilization, and the fertilized eggs are then transferred through a laparoscopic method directly into the fallopian tube. You can see with the help of diagram. Okay, and then the embryo develops on its own naturally. Next procedure is IUI, which is called intrauterine insemination. This process is less invasive and less expensive also as compared to the in vitro fertilization. In this method, just placing the sperm inside the woman's uterus with the help of doctor. So that is called intrauterine insemination. Next procedure is called intracytoplasmic sperm injection, that is ICSI. So this method is highly technical, more technical, because in this process involves the direct injection of the sperm into the egg obtained from in vitro fertilization. So it is one step ahead or one step advanced than IVF. And once the embryos are formed, these embryos are then placed into either by just like GIFT, that is zygote intrafallopian tube transfer, or through embryo transfer. Okay, so we can sum it up and say that assisted reproductive technology is the technology used to achieve pregnancy by the advanced technical methods.